لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read the Quran the easy way. Lesson number 7C on letters with double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma. The three vowel signs, harakat. We will practice the remaining letters with these three signs. Make sure to make your lips round while practicing dhamma. Remember to move your hand for thick and high, and very thick and high letters while practicing, so that you won't forget their attributes. So let's start with the first letter, Sad. Sun, sin, sun, sun, sin, sun, sun, sin, sun. And the next letter, Dad. One, lin, bun, bun, lin, bun, bun, lin, bun. And the next letter, Ta. Bun, lin, bun, bun, lin, bun, bun, lin, bun. And the next letter, Va. One, lin, one, one, lin, one, one, lin, one. And the next letter, Ain. An, rin, un, an, rin, run, an, rin, run. And it's twin, Ghain. Ghun, rin, run, run, rin, run, run, rin, run. And the next letter, Fa. Fen, fin, fun, fen, fin, fun, fen, fin, fun. And the next letter, Qaf. Qun, qin, qun, qun, qin, qun, qun, qin, qun. And the next letter, Kaf. Ken, kin, kun, ken, kin, kun, ken, kin, kun. And the next letter, Lam. Len, lin, lun, len, lin, lun, len, lin, lun. And the next letter, Mim. Men, min, mun, men, min, mun, men, min, mun. And the next letter, Nun. Nen, nin, nun, nen, nin, nun. And the next letter, Wow. Wen, win, wun, wen, win, wun, wen, win, wun. And the next letter, Hen. Hen, hin, hun, hen, hin, hun, hen, hin, hun. And the next letter, baby Hamza. En, in, un, en, in, un, en, in, un. And the next letter, Yen. Yen, yin, yun, yen, yin, yun, yen, yin, yun. And the next letter, Ta marbuta. Ten, tin, tun, ten, tin, tun, ten, tin, tun. MashaAllah. Awesome. We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.